beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a Universal Yums unboxing. If you're new to my channel is mainly beauty, but every now and then I do fun videos like snack tasting, mommy videos, a little bit of everything, chit chats. I'd love to have you subscribe and stick around if you're into these types of videos. You can hit that little red button, it's completely free. Give this video a like and let's jump into it. I absolutely love these little snack boxes. It's really gotten me out of my comfort zone. Anyone who knows me knows I am a picky eater. And these have been so much fun to actually expand my taste buds. And this month we are going to Scandinavia. I've been waiting to unbox this. To be honest, I haven't been in the mood to be filming, and I haven't been filming for over it's been more than 2 weeks that I've filmed, and this box has just been sitting there saying EP. Anyways, Scandinavia is 6 countries, and we have here Sweden, Finland, Denmark, Norway, Iceland, right? Is that all of them? Oh, okay, we have 2 different towns in Sweden. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that makes up the Scandinavia box. And so we're gonna jump into it. As always, it does come with this cute little booklet. The booklet talks a lot about the traditions and different things about different countries, which I think is so cool. I love going through these each month and just learning about a different country aside from the yummy snacks. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I see in here are these dill and grass look, and I'm so sorry for any time that I say a word, because every time it's from a different country, a lot of times some of these have words that I do not know how to pronounce. But it's a dill and chive potato chip. It's Scandinavia's favorite flavor. And it has, apparently dill is the herb that immediately makes you think Scandinavian food. Apparently they use it in cured salmon. They use it in a lot of their dishes. And they have these crunchy snack potato chips that have it. And we shall see. I do like dill pickles. And let's just give this a whirl. I do go ahead and taste these and give it a rating from 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest. These are kind of like sour cream and onion, but not so much of the sour cream, more of the the onion kind of part. Really, really good. Now that I've had like 3 of them, I can really taste the dill, and it reminds me a lot of pickles. 10 out of 10, really, really like. No, I'm not going to be sharing that. Next, we have Kim's Snack Chips. These right here. And let's see what it says on the back. It says tomato and spice potato snack. Super crispy, cheesy, and an acidic tang. Now that I've read a little bit, they are talking about a tradition where if you're single, on your 25th birthday, your friends tie you up and coat you in cinnamon. If you're still single by your 30th, you get doused with pepper, which is a little harsh because some people don't want to get married, okay? But let's go ahead and jump into this and see. They are round like that. They're good. I like these. 9 out of 10. They're really crispy. They're not spicy to me. They kind of remind me of Bugles chips, but with a little bit more flavoring to them. Yeah, really, really good. 10 out of 10. Lately, I feel like all the boxes have been like spot on. Next, we have these oat cookies with cocoa filling. These are Barkaren Wolf. and baked in Denmark. It's a crisp oat cookie with cocoa filling, and they look like that. I think they're in the shapes of hearts, which is so cute. But Karen Wolf is apparently a household name and in Denmark, and she is known for her treats. And this is what they look like. They has the cocoa all in the center, and it's like a little sandwich cookie. I'm kind of a little disappointed they're not in heart shapes. They're little round shapes. I really feel like a lot of the boxes that I've gotten, the chocolate isn't like way too sweet. I feel like here in the US, we have things that are super, super sweet. Just like in Puerto Rico, we like stuff to be overly sweet. And I feel like a lot of times it has chocolate, like in Korean food also. It has chocolate, but it's more of a subdued flavor, and it's not as overly indulgent and rich. And I would give this 10 out of 10. Just the perfect combination of the cookie with the chocolate without being like overly rich, and we call it in Spanish like empalagoso. Next, we have a little Yum bag. I love these because these are little candies from the different countries. And first thing that I see in here is a toffee. And let me see. Okay, so it's a gingerbread toffee. I love gingerbread. Swedish gingerbread is a traditional holiday treat, and it is essential for Christmas parties. And so they have a knack, which is a chewy toffee that is something that they use locally. Let's go ahead and just take a bite into this. It says cola on there, and then it says cola fabrican gingerbread. I'm sorry. Well, it's kind of like caramel, where it's really that same sticky taste texture. I absolutely love this. It's like literally tasting gingerbread in your mouth, but in a chewy version. 10 out of 10. This is superb. If you like gingerbread, you're really gonna like this. And I only ate like a tiny piece of it. So good. The other thing in the Yum bag is this little round guy right here. It looks like a chocolate ball. It's called a chocolatey cookie dough ball. It says creamy Swedish cookie dough. And the founder is Carl Prinzel. And he basically made small plastic packets of hazelnut cream, which eventually turned into hazelnut creamed filled balls, which eventually turned into the cookie dough filled balls 100 years later. I'm just going to bite into this and see, and it looks like a little chocolate ball. This is more indulgent. You can definitely tell the chocolate. The cookie dough is like a really soft, like melty kind of texture to it. Really, really delicious. I don't know. I want to say like a 9.5 out of 10. I feel like it's missing like a little bit more of the cookie dough flavor. It's not fully there, but it is sweet. Last one is the raspberry gummy skulls. These are sweet, sour, and super chewy. And I didn't know this, but in Sweden, citizens have the right to roam, meaning that they can legally walk, hike, swim, and most importantly, pick berries on any land that is public or private. Which I don't know if I really like that, because what if you had a piece of land that had a pond, and then you just had people having the right to be able to swim in your pond. I don't know how that works over there. If you're from Sweden, let me know. But these are kind of from that fresh berries that are tart blueberries from the wild. And this is the wild raspberry kind of candy version of it. Let's go ahead and open these up. And then I like that it has like, you know, that it's raspberry gummy skulls, but it's written in Sweden. So it's Cool Hallon Skali, I think. I be butchering these names. Okay. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if it's really a little skull. It looks a little funky. That's what it looks like right there. And oh, that is sour. Once you get like that sugary thing that's on there, that's when the sour hits you. Once that kind of goes through, then you have like a really sweet, chewy candy. It kind of reminds me of, what are those called? The ones that like destroy stuff when they're like bad and then they're good, and there's like commercials of them. I forget what they're called. Hopefully I'll put the name across here. But the commercial's hilarious because they're like sweet and then like really bad to you, and then they're really sweet, sour, and then they're sweet. And these kind of remind me of them, but they're really, really good as well. And just because it has like that extra kick of sour, I want to say 9 out of 10, but I know I'm gonna eat these. Overall, loved all the snacks this month. Lately, I feel like I've been loving every single box. I was thinking that every time that I get one, at least 2 or 3 things I wasn't gonna like because I'm such a picky eater. But I have to say I've been pleasantly surprised by how much I've really been loving all these snacks. And my family has as well, my husband, and we've been able to eat these snacks with no problems whatsoever. Let me know your thoughts down below. Have you tried the Universal Yum snack box, or have you tried another different snack box? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.